Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best PC case in market for this year.
We've researched each product based on customer reviews, prices, and product features. If you want to know which product will be the best for you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future.
At number 1, NZXT H510 PC Gaming Case. This case is one of the best gaming cases for PC as it offers several support for your system's respective components. It comes with a front I/O USB Type-C port, and it also has an inbuilt 120mm fan that can filter dust and dirt from the internal component of your system. The aesthetic design of the cover is top-notch as it uses modern design and a clean glass panel in the exterior designs. The installation is very simple as it comes with a pre-installed channel and cable routing kit to carry out the installation easily. The drawback of this PC case is that the front fans have very little intake space. At number 2, Corsair 110Q Mid Tower. The Corsair PC case is one of the best designs for your PC as it has a small design for the proper fitting of your system. Also, it has a feature that ensures that it reduces the noise from your PC and it can fit perfectly in any environment. Another great advantage is that this gaming PC case can support about 4 storage drives option of two 2.5 inches and combo 3.5 inches trays in the removable cage. It has an inbuilt fan that rotates regularly to cool your PC and clear dirt away from it. The drawback of this PC case is that the panel and main power switch usually become faulty easily. At number 3, Cooler Masterbox Motherboard Support. This PC case has a well-designed compact layout, and it can maximize internal space efficiently. It has a perforated chassis around the body so that air can flow in and out of your PC. The Cooler Masterbox provides standard support for the motherboard, and the PSU can be placed conveniently in its normal position for proper ventilation. It has a magnetic dust filter inside the case to avoid the clogging of air in your PC, and the drive bay can support about 2 combos of 3.5 or 2.5 at each drive bays. The drawback of this PC case is that the forefront of the AIO panel has a very tight screw that is difficult to loosen.